So here we are with the parallel springs data already imported into Logger Pro. We can see the graph is there. You can see that I've changed the names of the column headers. We've got spring extension here, short name X, that's why there's an X up there. And the other one I've changed to force, short name F. So the next thing we need to do is we need to import the other data from another source. So I'm going to get ready to do that by adding two new data sets, data, new data set. You can see that the column headers are repeated as we add the new data sets, and we need to change this title here. This one can be changed to single spring, and the second one can be changed to series springs. So we're now ready to copy and paste the data across. So here's my other data. We can see that we've got the single spring data here, force 1 through 7 newtons, and the length, I've made sure that the length is already converted into meters. So that was an issue we had, that one was in centimeters and one was in meters, so I've already converted this, as you can see. So I'm ready to copy it across. So I'll select that, copy, go back here, single spring, paste it across, back to the Excel file, copy, then paste it across. So now I want to see the graph, see what the graph looks like. So at the moment we're only seeing one set of data graphed. So we need to click on the y-axis, click on more, and we can see all three sets of data or data sets there. We need to expand these so we can see the variables, and we need to check all of the extensions. So now we've got the parallel springs, the single spring and the series springs all highlighted. So I'm going to hit OK there. Now we can see we've got three lines. I don't like the lines there, I want to see the data points. So remember, options, graph options, point symbols yes, connect points no. Done. Okay, something doesn't look right here. Something is not right. Let's go back to the table and have a quick look and see if we can establish what the problem is. Now I can see the problem straight away. In my Excel table, I had force and length, and in my Logger Pro table, I've got length and force. So I need to switch these ones around. I simply need to cut this data out. I'll put it down there for now, and then I'll cut this data out of here and put it in just up here. So I've switched the two around, and I need to do the same thing over here. Cut that, paste it down there, and cut this finally and paste it up there. So that should have solved the problem. Let me wind back the data table. It's all jammed down the bottom, so I'm going to auto scale that, and that's looking much better. I need to put linear trend lines. There's the button there. Click that. All three need a linear trend line. Hit OK. There we go. Rearrange those a bit. That one can go there. This one's the middle one, and this one's the bottom one. And we can see the slope and intercept values is what we actually need to get. So to finish this graph off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a title, options, graph options again, and I'm going to call it spring extension data. It seems reasonable. Just rearrange these again, and that is pretty good, I think. So at this point, if I wanted to, I could simply copy and paste that onto a Word document, Control C on a PC. If I wanted to open up a Word document, and I can just Control V and paste it straight in. So there we go. That's how to put multiple data sets all on the same set of axes.